Mastering subject pronouns in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we're delving into an essential topic that will transform your grammar skills: subject pronouns. Understanding how to use these can greatly enhance your proficiency and fluency in English. So, let's get started. First, let's clarify what we mean by subject pronouns. A subject pronoun is a pronoun that is used as the subject of a sentence. It does the action in a sentence and answers the question, who, or what, about the verb. For instance, in English, we have 7 subject pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Each of these subject pronouns serves a unique purpose and relates to a specific person, place, or thing. Now that we understand what subject pronouns are, let's see them in action. 1. I am learning English. I is the subject doing the action of learning. 2. You are my best friend. You is the subject and the friend in the sentence. 3. He plays the guitar very well. He is the subject who is playing the guitar. 4. She is a renowned author. She is the subject who is an author. 5. It is raining outside. It is the subject that is doing the action of raining. 6. We are going to the cinema tonight. We are the subjects who are going to the cinema. 7. They enjoy playing football. They are the subjects who enjoy the action of playing football. Notice how each sentence is about the action of the subject pronoun. That's the primary function of a subject pronoun. It drives the action in a sentence. In our journey to master English grammar, it's crucial to recognize and avoid common mistakes. When it comes to subject pronouns, one common error is using an object pronoun where a subject pronoun should be used. For example, saying, him is my brother, instead of, he is my brother. Remember, subject pronouns are the doers of an action, so always use the correct one to express your thought accurately. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on subject pronouns. Remember, these little words carry a lot of weight in English sentences. By using them correctly, you're on your way to communicating more effectively in English. Keep practicing these concepts, and soon enough, they'll become second nature. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this lesson has been helpful. Until next time, happy learning!